How to get the AI on Snapchat. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can get the AI on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to get AI on Snapchat, all you have to do is go ahead and open up Snapchat. First of all, if I come to the chat feed, you can see that I have basically this option called My AI. Now you might not have this because you might not be on the recent update, so you want to make sure you've updated your Snapchat app to the latest version. To get the My AI, open up your Play Store here. Once you open your Play Store, what you want to do is in the search box you simply want to go ahead and basically type in Snapchat. Once you type in Snapchat over here, check if the Snapchat app has an update. If it does, make sure to update the Snapchat app to the latest version, because when you update it to the latest version, only then you'll actually be able to go ahead and then basically get the AI on Snapchat. This way you'll be able to get the AI on Snapchat. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.